Hi guys, so today we're going to use Canva to create a worksheet into our Seesaw classroom. The first thing you need to do is just start creating a design. I already have one right here, so I'm just going to use this one. Once you have it, you can always search here where it says templates. You click on the template, and let's say you want to use math, so you will use math worksheet, add or subtract or something. Now, if you want to change this and you say, well, I want to have this one, then all you have to do is change it. You can change it to whatever worksheet you want to use. Now, after you're satisfied with the worksheet, all you do is you click here on zoom and you zoom into 100 or to where you see that everything is inside of this box right here. That way you can snip it. So what you're going to do is hit the Windows button, Shift and S, and that will bring up your snipping tool. You will go ahead and grab anything that you want to see inside of the worksheet. Once you have it, you will go ahead and go to Seesaw, and inside of Seesaw, all you have to do is hit the key Control V, and it should automatically pop it in there. Once you do that, you can make it as big or as small as you want, and you will make sure to lock it into place. Now, if you want to change any of the components in the worksheet, all you have to do is click on them. Like for instance, if I want to click on here and I don't like that color, all I do is click on the lettering color and then it will pop up to change the colors. So for example, here I have it to where I actually liked it, the way that it looked. I changed each color by clicking up here on the lettering. And then I can also click on these little images and I can actually go ahead and click on a different color for them. So it's very helpful, and it makes you customize everything that you want on here. So you can also move the words, like maybe you want to have them closer together, maybe you want the numbers bigger or smaller, you can do that. And after you feel like you're ready with it and you feel like you got it, then all you have to do is do the same thing again that I did, which was go ahead and click on your snipping tool. Once you have the snipping tool, you will snip your image. And after snipping your image, go ahead and go back into Seesaw. And in Seesaw, you can hit Control V to paste your image, and there you have it. Now your image is in place the way that you wanted it. Make sure you lock it in so that the kids don't move it around. Now to add another element in here, let's say you want to use some of our math tools. You will go ahead and go to Eduphoria and click on our math tools that we have. Once you click on the toolkit, it will show up and you will simply find the tool that you are using for that lesson. Let's say that I'm using the tool for addition, so I think I passed it up. Let's see. And it might take a while to find it. Oh, there it is. So this is the tens and ones mat. So what I do is if I want to keep all of it, I can. But if I just want the inside so that I have more space in Seesaw, I just grab the inside by, remember again, clicking the Windows Shift S button for the snipping tool. I gather what I need to have. I go back to Seesaw and I click once again Control V to have that come up. Now I have the tool that the kids can use in here. Now, if you want to make it longer, you may make it longer or smaller, however you want to. And there you go. Now you have it into place. Now, if you say, well, I want the kids to maybe do each of these problems in a different page, then you would have to simply duplicate the page again, and then now you have number 2. And let's say you want them to just use number 1 for this one. So then you will type in maybe number 1, and you can make it smaller or bigger, and you can just say, well, on this one, only do problem number 1. And then you can have a voiceover here at the bottom saying, make sure you only do problem number 1 on this one. And then on the next one, which is this one, maybe you want to do problem number 2. So I would copy this, paste it, and I will put maybe problem number 2. Now, sometimes if you copy paste, it takes too long. So what you want to do at the very beginning, whenever you're in the very first page, is make sure you add all the elements that you're going to want on the next couple pages. So I want the kids to know that they're going to answer this problem and that they are going to have to write their answer right inside. So I am going to have another little box maybe here so that they know that they have to type in their answer here. And now I have created my template for this page. Now if I want to do it for the next page, all I do is duplicate the page, and now I have the same one, and all I can do is move it to the next one and then put number 2 and then lock it in again and then switch it to the next one, and then I can duplicate this one again. Sorry, I can duplicate it again, and then I move it to the next one, and there we go. Now I have it on the next one, and then I put number 3, or however you want to have it. Now when you're done, now the kids will see 1, 2, 3, so that they know which problem they're supposed to be doing. But like I said, if you want them just to do all of them at once, they can do all of them at once. It's just my choice so that they could maybe work here on the side. And that's all you do to create an activity using Canvas into Seesaw.